Okay, this is just a really quick video on how I make my CA hinges. Someone asked me to give them a little hand on how to do it for their plane. So, since I didn't feel like doing a lot of work, I just grabbed some scrap balsa and I cut 2 slots for the fixed surface and 2 slots in a beveled trailing edge surface. So what I'm going to do is just attach the two together with my CA hinge. And since I didn't want to take the time to use real monocoat, I just put some Scotch tape over it. So once I have my two surfaces, I take my CA hinges, not much to them, I cut them in half because as they come, they're just much too big. So I have my halves. I usually just trim them up a little bit. Just round the corners off a little bit. Once I have them rounded off the way I want, I take them and I bend them in half. Then I just work them back and forth so they're not stiff anymore. Again, very non-professional video, just a quick, here's how I do it. So now that they bend nice and free, I bend them at a 90-degree angle and I slip it into my slot. That is so that, it's hard to see here, it's going to bend up and down along the crease. So then I take my trailing edge and slide it in the slot. And just make sure it's going to twist nice and easy. So you can see. When I have it like I want it, just take my CA, always use nice and thin. Then I bend it about what's going to be the maximum amount of throw. Maximum amount of throw. Then just put a drop of CA on each hinge. And then do the same for the other side. It wicks in nice and easy. And then go ahead and exercise it. And now something I forgot to mention, I don't myself do it, but I know a lot of people will actually pin these. So they'll take a nice pin vise, just drill through the hinge, make 2 holes, and take a toothpick and put it through so it's sticking through both sides. And usually you just cut those off just before you glue it, but I'll glue it first, then cut them off. So that does two things. It keeps the toothpicks in place, and also it allows more CA to wick in to the back side of the CA hinges. And I'll cut it off and show you what I have when I'm through. Okay, so now I have cut them off flush and sanded them, so you can see now it's just a nice, simple hinge point. Not coming off. That's all there is to it, and that's how I do it. I'm sure there are lots of other ways of doing it, but that's mine. Have fun.